Pakistani community, Georgian community, Albanian community endorse Republican candidates President Donald Trump and Senator District 23 Marko Kepi, Pakistani American news channel. Yeah.
I am Zia, Pakistani-American news channel. About to election to say November 5th in US.
Yes, election is November 5th here in New York, and we have very important people in the ballot. We have from the top President Donald Trump, and then for State Senate we have myself, Marko Kepi, for New York State Senate in Brooklyn and Staten Island. We have great friends here from the Pakistani-American community, the Georgian American community, the Albanian American community, and we're very excited to be united as Albanian Americans, Georgian Americans, Pakistani Americans to make a difference and make America great again with President Trump.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We, Pakistani community, endorse Marko Kepi as our candidate, and we support him and we promise to vote for him. We all Pakistani community in his constituency, we will vote for him.